the purity goddess.
So much of rain until now. It is more than 1.5 hours now. It's raining very heavily now in the workshop. We're having a workshop here for teachers in Coimbatore on the 11th of March, May 19, 2018. Wonderful sight. Lot of rain is raining now. Everyone is so happy. Everyone's having their break now. All are having their break. All having their break. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So now we are having a workshop in Coimbatore. It's raining a lot, heavy rain now, pouring, and we also saw peacock flying there. It's on Friday, on the 11th of March, 2018. The wonderful sight. We are all experiencing, and everybody is very, very happy to see the rain in Coimbatore in the month of May. It's supposed to be summer. It's supposed to be summer, and we are so happy to see rain in Coimbatore, in Tamil Nadu in 2018. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all the nature beings of this world. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Siva sir. Thank you so much.
It is raining now more than 1 hour. Still raining, the skies are still bright, but so much of rain in the place of the workshop in Coimbatore right now. Having an advanced class. Can you imagine the rain? Can you imagine the rain in Coimbatore in the month of May 2018, where rain is not supposed to come, it's supposed to be summer month. And also the skies are bright on the other side. It's no dark cloud, not really dark clouds, okay? A lot of rain. Can you imagine? We thank all the nature beings of this place. Thank you for coming. Thank you for brightening up, making this place cool and nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Before we started, there was no trace of any rain to happen in this place at all. And suddenly, while the workshop was going on, so much of rain is pouring down in the month of May, which is supposed to be summer in this area, and it's so wonderful. Thank you, thank you.